In this video, we're asked to find the cosine and sine of a 30-degree angle. So let's start by just drawing a right triangle here. And this is not going to be drawn to scale, but that's all right. And this is just going to be my 30, 60, 90 triangle. So let's mark these angles here. So we'll call this our 90, we'll call this our 30, and this is our 60. And going back to our special right triangles and the relationships between the sides, for every 1 unit that I have across from my 30, across from my 90, I have 2 units, and across from my 60, I have root 3 units. And you might recall that with our videos before, we called this for every x units here, there are 2 x units here, and there are root 3 x units here, but we don't really need the x. We're just thinking of x as 1 to get those 3 numbers. So let's just clear out that information. All right, so the sine of 30. So I'm just going to write down sine of 30. And 30 is right here. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. That's the so part of SOHCAHTOA. So opposite would be 1. And my hypotenuse would be 2. So my sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. And I just need to do the cosine of 30. So that would be the ka part of SOHCAHTOA. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So my cosine of 30 would be adjacent, which is root 3, over hypotenuse, which is 2. So it would just be root 3 over 2, and we should be set. Notice that the textbook, they went one step further here, and they also got the decimal approximation or decimal equivalent for each of those. So the sine of 30 was 1/2 or 0.5000 rounded to 4 decimal places. The cosine of 30 was root 3 over 2 or 0.8660.